Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password on the OnePay app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you got started using the OnePay app and you want to go ahead and change your passcode. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is click onto the OnePay app. Then in the upper right hand corner, you want to go ahead and click on your profile icon name. From here, you want to go ahead and click on Account Next, then click on Change Passcode. Now from here, it's going to ask you to enter your current password. So simply just follow the on-screen prompts in order to change your passcode. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your passcode on the OnePay app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.